강창남 장로입니다.
I am Elder Kang Changnam.
하나교회를
I
섬기고
serve the
있고
Daegu Hana Church.
중국에서는
In China,
화동 임마누엘 교회
I am serving the Hadong Emmanuel
지금
Church.
선교사님께서는
The current
인도에
missionary
계시고
is in
중국에서
India,
사역을 다
and he has
마치시고
finished all
인도에
of his
가
ministry
계십니다.
in this
인도에서
nation,
영상으로
and he's doing ministry in
예배를
India.
드리고
And on Sunday, we give
중국 선교지에서
services through the
30년 넘게
video through
그곳에서
India,
지금
and
생활하고
for
있습니다.
30 years I've been living
본부에서
my
존경
life there.
강의 부탁이 왔길래
I had the Church Office Graduate School request from headquarters, and I was very much taken aback
많이
because I'm
부족하고
so
또
lacking.
저를 아시는
Because
많은
I'm
분들도
very lacking, and those who know me, they
아시겠지만은
all know
특별히 내세울 것도 없습니다.
there's nothing for me
그래서
to put forth or
순간적으로
boast about. So
찬송과
momentarily,
찬양 구절이
I was
생각이
reminded of
났습니다.
Bible verses
부끄러운
and
것뿐이고 솔직히
hymns.
감사할 것밖에 없고
so I'm so embarrassed.
하나님의 은혜다.
I have only things to be thankful for, and it's
무슨
all the
이야기를
grace
할까?
of God. And I
제가
thought,
할 수 있는 것은
what should I talk
아무것도
about?
없는데.
Really, there's nothing for me
그래서
to do.
이런저런 고민도 하고
And so I
기도하다가
Had this
다락방에
concern, and I prayed about it.
다락방이 이제 세계복음화 하는
And
단체이기 때문에
Darakbang is an organization that does world evangelization, so I wanted to talk about globalization. This is the answer
세계화
that God
플러스
gave me.
복음화가
And so
세계복음화이기 때문에
gospelization and
세계화 이야기를 하는
globalization is
것이
world
좋겠다라는
evangelization,
생각을,
so I thought
하나님께서 주신
it'd be
것
great to
같습니다.
speak
그래서
about globalization.
이 자리에서
So this is the
제가
answer I got from
세계화에
God,
대한 이야기를
and I
좀
will
했으면 좋겠습니다.
speak a bit about globalization. I'd like to do that.
세계화라는
And so
단어는,
globalization as a term
상대방 나라를
is
이해를 해줄 수가 있고
understanding
또
other nations
사고를 유연하게 할 수 있는 그것이 기본 자세고
and
또
really being open about
그것을
the way we go
통해서
about
이렇게 시대의
things.
흐름을
That's a fundamental
볼 수가 있는
posture.
겁니다.
And you could see the
그래서
flow of the age through that.
우리가 복음
That is why
하면서
we say
복음은 많이 알고
gospel,
들었고
gospel.
하지만은
And we've heard much,
세계화는
we know
경험을
much
통해서
of the gospel,
또
but through
보고 듣는 것으로서 얻어질 수
globalization
있는 거기 때문에
is through experience. What you
제가
see and hear
해외에서
is what you can gain.
반 이상의
And so
인생을 살았기 때문에
I live my life about
조금은 아마
half of it overseas, so I think it could be a bit of help.
그래서
So I want to start this.
방금 말씀드린 것처럼
So as I
세계화는
mentioned,
시대의
globalization
보는 흐름을
is the
보는
eyes
것이기
to
때문에
see
제가 중국에서
the
30년
flow of the
이상 살았기
age.
때문에
So I lived more than 30
중국
years in
이야기부터 좀
China,
시작을 했으면
and so
좋겠습니다.
I can
최근에
start
들리는
about
이야기를
China.
보면
And so if
많은
I
한국 분들이
hear
중국을
what many
싫어한대요.
Korean people say they don't
물론
like
우리나라뿐만이
China.
아니고 다른
and
나라들도
not just Korea,
중국에
but
대해서 그렇게
Many
호감을
countries
가지고 있지는 않는 것 같습니다.
aren't necessarily
한편으로 이해는
welcoming
되는데
about China, and
왜
I
그럴까?
kind of understand
그런
that, but
생각을
I really
많이
thought about
해봤습니다.
why that
중국에
is the
있어서.
case while living
그래서
in China.
중국 사람을 중국
And so,
분들을 탓하기 전에
Before
우리가
blaming the
무엇을
Chinese people,
잘못했을까부터
we
먼저
need to think
생각을
about
해보는 것이
what
올바른
we
접근법이 아닐까
have
하는
done
그런 생각을
incorrectly and what we
하게
can
됩니다.
change. That's the way I
1992년도에
approach things.
한국과
So in
중국이
1992,
수교를 했는데요. 한중 수교를 시작을
there
했습니다.
was
92년도에
a
그때 이제 많은
economic
한국
agreement,
분들이 이런
and they
생각을
began to
했습니다.
have
당시에 중국
more and more
인구가 10억 정도 됐죠. 그래서 이제
trade,
한국에
and
가면
China
중국에
had
가면
about 1 billion
이제
people already.
볼펜 한 자루 팔아서 1원을 남겨도
And
10억을
so
벌 수 있다. 그런
Koreans had the mentality that if you could
너도 나도 중국을
sell
팔았으면
a
기업이고
billion
기업이고
items in
갔는데
China, even if you
문제는 갈 때 그 당시의
make a
상황이
penny
굉장히
out of
좀
that, you could make $1 million.
위험했다는 거죠. 지금 돌아서
And so,
생각을 해보면은
if you think about the
대부분이
situation,
의학도 준비가 안 됐고 또
the Korean
중국이라는
people
나라를
who
가볍게 생각을
decided to
했고
enter into the
그냥 뭐
Chinese market, they took it
손님들
too lightly. They
그리고
didn't even speak the language, didn't know the culture,
중국이라는
but they
나라가
thought we're going to
당시에는
make, $1
경제적으로
billion
우리보다 조금
because there's
떨어져
a
있기
billion
때문에
people there.
이제 또 사업을
And so
하는 분들이
also economically,
서남아 국가 또는 아프리카 국가 수준으로 중국을
they
무시하고
were
들어갔죠. 그러다 보니까
thinking that the Chinese market was underdeveloped, and so they looked at it more like a third world country, and so they were looking down on them as they were entering into the Chinese market. And so
저는 어떻게
there are many kind of
당시 초창기에
faults
저희들의 그런
that the Korean business
가벼움들이
people had as they entered the
중국
Chinese market.
우리의 한국
And so
사람과
that kind of
한국 기업을
light
인식을 하는데
thinking gave a very negative perspective of Korean business people in China. And so I was also one of them because I thought when I first went to China that China would not be as clean, right? Because they were also in terms of cleanliness or keeping products, certain standards. I thought it was taken aback. So it was something that we were looking down on. And so the population was 24 times larger than Korea, 100 times in terms of the land mass, and had thousands of years of history and culture. But a lot of Koreans don't like this country. And so in terms of globalization, this is a very dangerous mindset that must be corrected. And so taking this opportunity, I want to kind of change people's perspectives concerning China. And so I experienced many things while living in China for 30 years. And there are a lot of things that I was ignorant about. I've received 3 times when I had to go before the court because I didn't know about the law. I was unprepared. Many things I experienced because I was unprepared. China has a big population and big massive land. And so the leaders of that nation, through 5,000 years of history, there are many established ways of doing things in terms of systems and laws. In comparison, Korea is much smaller population. And so in terms of having a long tradition of law and systems and of government, we are smaller in comparison. And so we can't look at China and we can't take it too lightly. And so the country of China, in China, there are many Korean businesses that are having a hard time. The reason for that is early on, they did not prepare so much in advance. And so in a way, the greatest companies of Korea that make the smartphone or the automobile, and they've kind of given up on the Chinese market already because I believe, of course, they must have done much assessment, but over the 30 years, what I felt is that it was the people's mistakes early on when they started out. If we decided to be more courteous and respectful and more understanding, then I don't believe our businesses would be in the state that they are in now. The reason I think that is because many people, because maybe the THAAD, defensive structure or many other reasons. But in China, in terms of Japan and Germany, the Chinese people look at those businesses differently. And I've led the Korean community in China for a long period of time. And there are many times where I met with different representatives and I asked them, what do you think about Korea? What do you think about Korean people? And they smile at me. And what do you think about Japanese corporations? They quickly say Japanese people, or they acknowledge, and they are very much excited about Chinese communication and trade with Japan. And so even now there's very conflicting aspects politically. But when I go down the street, about 10 cars in China, 2 cars are Japanese, maybe 3 to 5 Chinese electric cars now.
두세 정도가
and
있고
then
미국 차들이 있고 이렇게 이제
two
구성이 돼 있단 말이죠.
maybe German cars
한국의 현대기아
and
차들은 이렇게
a
가다
couple
보면
American cars.
50대 중에 한 대, 100대 중에
But
한두 대 정도 볼 정도로 그런 상황이죠.
it's a situation where you only see one or two Korean cars
인식에
in China
일본과
out of 50 maybe.
인들이 그렇게
And so why is it that
호감이 있을까? 불과
the Chinese
얼마
have
되지
a
않는
good perspective
시간에
toward the
남경이라는 곳에서
Japanese
일본
businesses?
군들이 30만을 학살을 하고 했었는데
And
왜
even
일본
though
제품은
there
잘 팔리고
were
일본은 그렇게 인정을 받을까?
atrocities done by the
그것이 늘
Japanese
궁금했었습니다.
in
중국에서.
China where
근데
they
아시아,
killed
뭐 중국, 일본, 한국
hundreds of thousands of
세 나라는
people, but they
여러
still
가지
think
공동체적인
the
부분이
Japanese
많이
products
있기
or
때문에
corporations are
그래서
better.
좀 전에 말씀드린 것처럼
And so as
제가
I've told you before,
그곳에서 한인의 일을 맡고
I
있기 때문에
led the Korean community
일본인회의
there,
관계자들하고 많이 이렇게
and I
접촉할 수 있는 시간이
met with many of the
있었습니다.
Chinese representatives,
거기에 그 간사로 일하시는 분이
and there was
조선족 그
a
동포분이셨는데
Joseon
그분께 제가 물어봤습니다.
Chinese person who
그
worked as a secretary, and I
일본
asked them,
사람들은 어떠냐?
what about the Japanese
일본은-
people?
일본 기업은 어떠냐라고
What about the Japanese
물어봤을 때
corporations?
일본 사람들은 첫 번째로
They say
남들한테
Japanese
피해를 안
people,
준답니다.
they said
남들한테 피해를
they
안 준대요.
don't
남들한테 피해를 안 준다. 그럼 우리
cause
한국
loss
사람들은
for
남들한테
others.
피해를 많이 주는 건가? 뭐
And
그런
do
생각이
Koreans
들고요. 그러면은
cause loss for
또
other
하나
people?
그분이 하시는 말씀이
Another thing that they
일본
say is
사람들은
that
철저히 원칙을 지킨답니다.
the Japanese people,
예를
they're very
들어서
principled and they
기업의
keep
수장이 되는
to the
법인장께서
rules or
식사를
laws.
하러 왔는데
So if a Japanese business
본인도
person
철저히
comes
줄을
to,
서고 법인장이라서 내가
have
먼저
dinner,
먹겠다 그런 것도 없고
they will always
상상할 수 없는 제가 같은
keep
중국
in
땅에
line,
있으면서도
and
그
even being in the
같은
same
지역에 있으면서도 전혀
land
다른
of China,
기업의 문화와 그런 정서들을
they
제가 들을 수 있었습니다.
were able to hear very much
그래서 일본 사람들이 중국
high standard
사람들한테
of
인정을
business
받는 거구나. 그럼 우리는
respect.
왜 인정을 못 받을까?
and I thought, why aren't Koreans
네,
acknowledged?
방금
And as
말씀드렸다시피
I've told you
일본
before,
사람들이 그렇게
the
원칙을
Japanese people,
지킨다면
they're very
우리
much keeping
기업들은
to
또 우리가
the
그렇게 한국에
rules
계시는
and
분들은
standards.
아무래도
The
좀
Korean
이렇게
people
대충
are
하는 습관이 좀 있습니다.
having
솔직히.
the habit of
그리고 또
just
급하죠.
doing things
급하기 때문에 그
roundabout or
말을 또
very
함부로 하기도
quickly,
하고요.
or they're very
그런 어떤
coarse with their words,
우리의 그 잘못된
and
체질
there are these
습관들이
incorrect
그 5천년
habits.
문화를 가진 중국 사람들
And
입장에서는
for Chinese
많은 나라들을
culture
비교를
of
할 때
5,000 years,
우리가
as they
많이
compare
좀
many
처질
different
수밖에
nations,
없는 그런
we
이유가 되지
are
않나
kind of falling
싶습니다.
behind.
정말 유
And
목사님께서도
so as Reverend Yu
산업선교
has mentioned
메시지 하실 때
during the business industry
일본 분들도
missions,
일본 나라에
and
대해서 많은
speaking of
말씀을 하시는
Japanese
것도
business
듣습니다만
people,
정말
he speaks of them
그
often as
지역에서
well.
중국이라는
And so
나라에서 일본 사람,
in
일본
China,
기업들 하는
the
모습들은
Japanese people,
제가
the
봐도
Japanese
좀
businesses,
부럽고 대단하다는
and I think
생각을 많이 하게
from
됩니다.
even that perspective,
또
they're
하나는 중국
pretty great.
사람들이
And so
한국을
another aspect as
한국 사람들이
Chinese
중국을 싫어하는 여러
people
가지 이유 중에
looking
하나가
at Korea or
그
Koreans
언론의 보도에
not liking China,
문제가 또
there
있다고 많이 보거든요.
is a
최근에
problem
아시다시피
in
중국에는 그
the news, in
코로나
the
사태가
media.
있었죠. 코로나 사태
And there
때
was the COVID
중국
pandemic
아파트 옆에서
that
이렇게
started
시체를
from
태우는
China,
사진이
and there was
굉장히
a
한국에
picture
이렇게
of a burning
많이 이렇게
corpse
돌고 뭐
in
그렇게
China, and it was
한국에서
spreading
지금
around
전화가
Korea.
와서 별일 없냐
And
막
my
이렇게
friends were
물어보고
calling
그랬죠.
me and
근데
asking if I was
사실은
okay,
그것은
and
지극히 일부고
that was
또
just
그런
one
어떤
aspect.
매장 습관이 있는
But there's this
그
habit
지역의
of
그 민족들이
spreading
하나의
this
그
types of
문화적인 형태에
news.
불과했는데 그것이 뭐 다 그런지 그렇게
But
또
this
이렇게
was a one
언론에서 떠들고
separated
하는
incident,
것을 많이
but they made it
봅니다.
seem
사실
like all of China was doing
언론이라는
this.
곳에서
And so, in
물론
terms of
자기들도 목적이
news and
있겠지만
media,
너무
I'm sure there
중국에
are
대해서
their
이상한
own
보도를
motives,
많이
but there
한다라는
are
생각을 많이 합니다.
very much this
사실 중국은
extreme views of
제가 봤을 때
China
중국에서
and
최고로
warping
제가
of the news.
이거는 정말 세계 최고다라고
And
생각하는 것은 치안입니다.
something
제가 중국에서 한
I think
30몇
of
년을
China
살았는데
of being the best
치안에 대해서는 거의
is
전
that
세계 어디를
they
가도
are
가장 완벽하게 컨트롤이 되는 왜냐하면 사실
completely
국가 권력이 살아있기
controlling.
때문에 그 중국의 많은 사람들이 그
And so, in China,
국가 권력을 두려워하고 물론
they all
그것은 뭐
fear the
장점도 있고
government.
단점도
Of course, there
있겠지만
are
제가 그곳에서 30년 살면서
advantages,
이 나라가 많이
disadvantages
위험하다.
about that,
이
and
나라가 굉장히 좀
maybe the dangers of this
이렇게
country
겁이 난다.
or
그리고 또 막
fearing
술을
this
먹고
country
싸우고
or
뭐 이래 서로 치고받고
people
그런 게
drinking or
있다라는 것을
fighting or
제가 지내는 그
in
제가 이제 상하이
Shanghai, where I reside,
본 적이
I have
없습니다.
never seen anything like that, frankly.
오히려 한국 뉴스를 통해서
And rather through the Korean news, I
음주
see
사고라든지 각종
maybe the
사고를
drunken
볼 때마다
driving or
오히려
different
그게 더
accidents or
안타깝고
problems.
그래서
I'm
최근에
actually
이제
saddened by
아시안
more of those
축구
news.
경기가 있었죠.
And there was the
그때
Asian
있었을 때
football
우리 그 손흥민 선수가
championships, and
제가
our
기억하기로 이제 프리킥 하나를 이렇게 찼는데
Son Heung-min
공이 아주 멋지게
kicked a
들어갔죠.
free kick, and it was very,
중국은 축구를
very
굉장히
classy
좋아하는
as it went in. And
나라입니다.
China loves
그래서
football.
중국의 그 스포츠 채널
And so the
전문
sports
방송
channel,
앵커가 그런 이야기를 합니다.
the anchor said,
손흥민이라는 선수가 왜
Son Heung-min,
아시아 최고의
why is he the
스타인가를
greatest
스스로가
Asian
증명을 했다고
football
다
star?
이야기를 하죠.
And
사실은
he proves
우리나라
that
선수들이
through his play.
잘하고 하는 부분들 그
And so
친구들이 제대로 홍보하고
Korean players
제대로
doing well.
이렇게 공감해주고
So the
같은
Chinese, they,
아시아인으로서 굉장히 그분들도
as an
좋아하고
Asian,
저는
they
그걸 잘
respect them.
보고
They
있거든요.
love those
근데
players, and I see
이런
that.
언론의
I see them
그
even supporting
오보
Son Heung-min even though he's
잘못된
Korean.
그런 보도를
And so this type of
통해서
incorrect
한국 분들이
views
많은 오해를
and
하지
media,
않나 그런
I think a lot of
생각을
Koreans
많이
have
하게 됩니다.
misunderstandings about the
그래서
Chinese.
초창기에 우리의 접근법이 분명히
So early
잘못됐고
on, the
그것을
way we
분명히
started out in
잘못됐고
China was
쉽게
very
설명해
much
볼까요?
incorrect.
우리
And
회사에서
simply said,
미국에 어떤
my,
주재원을 보내는데 그 미국에 나가는
business
주재원이 영어를
sent
못한다.
a
그렇게 하면
representative
보내겠습니까?
was sent to
그리고 그
America. If
영어를
he doesn't
못한다는
speak English,
사실을
would
아는
we send
주재원이
him?
그냥 모르는 상태로
And,
미국이나 이런 데를 갈 수
you know,
있겠습니까? 못 가죠.
Can a
분명히
representative of
본인이
business
밤새
go
영어를
to
공부해서라도 준비를
America
하겠죠.
knowing that he doesn't
그런 게
speak any
되게
English?
차이가
He would
있다는
prepare.
거죠.
But there's these
제가
differences. How come they
문제점을 두
didn't
개를
prepare
이야기를
that way
했지만
when they
그것은
went to
아주
China?
작은
And so
부분이고 많은 부분을 또
I'm
이야기할 수
speaking of very
있는 시간적인
small
여유가
aspects
있어요.
of the problems. You know, we don't have
가장
time to speak
기본적으로
about all the
우리가
things, but
중국하고 우리는
fundamentally,
좀 다른 거죠.
China
차이가
and
있는
ourselves,
거죠.
there are
그래서 우리가
differences,
너무 차별하고
we are
있다는
different,
생각을 하게 됩니다.
but
그
there's too much
사람들은 그 사람들
prejudice
나름대로의
regarding
문화가
that.
있고
They have their
그것을
own
차이로
culture,
보면은 되는데 우리하고
and
다른 그러나
you
그
know,
속에서
just
장점도
accept
있고
it as the
물론
differences that
단점도
we have.
있겠지만
There
그런데
are
우리
advantages and
기준을 너무
disadvantages
세계에서
to that. But
바라보다
if we are
보니까 야, 이
looking at
사람들은
it
왜
too
이래
much
이렇게
in
자꾸
our
바라보는
own
거죠.
scope and
또
narrow
하나는
field of view, then
여러분들이 보시기에
we'll be
여기
always critical.
한국에 이제 중국 분들이 많이 들어와
And so
계십니다.
a lot of
그분들
Chinese
기준으로
have entered Korea as
기준으로
well.
보지 말라는 겁니다.
And they
중국의
should not be the
정말
standard
엘리트들,
for
우리
all of the
관료들의
Chinese either.
자제들,
There
또
are very much
굉장히
the
재력이 있는
elite
분들은
and
대부분
the
아직도
leadership
미국,
of
캐나다,
China
호주, 싱가포르,
in
영국 같은
America,
국가가 있습니다.
Canada,
그래서
Singapore.
한국에 여기
They're
와 있는
in very
분들은
much the
나쁘다는 게
leading
아니고
nations. I'm not
그분들을
saying that
보고
people in Korea are
중국을
bad,
판단하셔서는
but
안
you shouldn't
된다는 겁니다. 제가 중국에서 30년을 살았으니까
judge China as a
제가
whole
또
upon just the
복음
Chinese
가진
people in
중직자고
Korea.
장로인데 거짓말은
And so
하겠습니다.
I have an
그래서
elder with the
조금은 중국
gospel
보는 시각을
standing before you.
이렇게 좀
I wouldn't
바꿔주셨으면
lie to you.
좋겠다.
So
그런
please
생각을 하게
change your
됩니다.
perspectives
그래서
concerning
중국의 이제
China.
한중 수교
And so
30년 넘어가는 시점에서 좀 새로운
over 30 years,
접근
I've been in
방법이
China,
필요하다.
and
물론 이
I really
시간에
think there
많은
is
말씀은 못
a different
드리겠지만
approach that we
기본적으로
must take
서로가 다른
as
그
we look
차이는
at China.
인정하면서 가는 것이 좋겠다.
So we need to
그리고
acknowledge our
적어도
differences.
가깝게 있는
and
나라들 중국과
It's a very close
일본과는
nation
그
of
나라가
China,
워낙
Japan,
이 두 나라가 가지고 있는
and these
장점들이
two
많기
countries,
때문에
there are great
무시하고
advantages.
또 함부로
So we should not just
가볍게
ignore
생각하는
them or
것보다는
look down on them or
배우려고
take them
하는
lightly.
노력과
We
자세가
must
많이 필요하다.
have the
그
effort
말씀을
and posture
드리고
of learning
싶습니다.
from them.
중국은
And I really
어쨌든
want
기회의
to
땅입니다.
tell that to you.
제가
China is
생각할
truly a
때는
land of opportunity.
불신자들도
As I see it,
복음은 없지만
even
얼마나
unbelievers,
전문성을
even if they don't
가지고
have the
중국에서
gospel,
사업
they have
성공하고 있는 것을
specialization.
많이 보고 있습니다.
They're very successful in China.
불신자지만은 참
And although they're
괜찮게
unbelievers,
하더라. 특히 젊은
they
사람들이
really do
그런
very
것들을
well,
많이 보고 있기
especially
때문에
very young people. I've
아주
seen many
뭐
examples of
이렇게
that.
그런 조금 그 비복음적인 생각은 좀
And so
안 해주셨으면
the
좋겠다.
ungospel thoughts
그래서 제가
concerning critical
두
China
번째로는
is something that I think you
중직자분들께
guys
좀
should
부탁을
avoid.
드리겠습니다. 사실
There's
우리가 사는
another
지역이
request for the
렘넌트들,
church
교회들 때문에
officers.
사는
We live
건데요.
for our remnants and our
우리
posterity,
중직자분들이
and our
우리
church officers
렘넌트들
for our
겨울방학,
remnants,
여름방학 때 이렇게
winter
방학을
and
이용해서
summer vacation, I really want you to send your children to missions field. Of course, you probably have a lot of things to do during vacation as well, but the nearby countries of China and Japan really go numerous times. If you go to Japan, you can learn about the way they do business and follow the rules. And in China, you could kind of see a length of leisure. And so in Shanghai, it takes 4.5 hours. And if I go to a different region called Heten, and it takes another hour and a half. And I went with Elder Lee on a business trip to that region, and I felt at the time it's very broad. And by plane, just in China alone, we flew 6 hours. Seoul in Busan is, an hour and a half. And so our urgency and trying to do everything very fast is because we live in a small country. But China has leisure because they're in such a big country, they have to go long distances, and so they truly have some leisure. And so one of the businesses that I have is we have a business of providing lunch for companies, and while delivering this lunch, this must be delivered during lunchtime, and there are times where I participate in the deliveries and running, and so sometimes it rains, and in China lunch begins at 11:30, and it's a lunch rush. Sometimes our orders can be late. And so while doing this job, there was never a time where Chinese got mad over this. I would get angry that you wouldn't, pay for the order quickly. And I wonder, where does this leisure come from? So in Chinese, maybe there was a time I was an hour late, and a Chinese person said, it's just, oh, why did this happen today? And they never curse or criticize from that. They just wonder, oh, why did it take so long today? And so China is someone we could learn leisure from and really overcome our urgency. And our church officers, our remnants, utilize vacation time. China is very broad. It's from Beijing to Shanghai, and there's so many different places that we must see. Korea is very small, and so we need to develop our workforce. And so we need to learn the advantageous aspects of our neighboring countries. And so our missionary who's in India, he was in China and then he moved to India. And his son stayed in Shanghai, and he didn't like to study at the time, and so the missionary would tell us once in a while about that. And now the missionary is in India, and his son followed him in India, and he very much adjusted well and connected many businesses within India. He's actually part of now international trade. So what is it now for our young people of Korea? They look down on India. And so these types of prejudices is something we need to get rid of. It is a global age. The world is changing rapidly. And so in this age, mindset that, if you think you're so great, you just do well yourself, and if things don't work, they think very quickly to give up. And so we have this type of incorrect imprints upon our children. And so quickly we need to send our remnants out to see the world, the missionary fields, our missionaries are in each of these fields. So they could go receive training and really learn the politics, economy, and see how the people live. And so, what kind of talent do I have? And you could apply that different types of fields, looking at a very broad perspective. And so I lived in Bangladesh for a while, in Bangladesh and China. There are difficult areas, rural areas, but I saw very interesting things. And so people who could not adjust to Korea or the Korean way of doing things, people who did not kind of match the Korean way, they would adjust very well overseas and earn a lot of money. And so there are these things in Korea. And I'm from the Daegu region. If a man mustn't speak so much or, shouldn't be so emotional. I learned all those things from a young age. A man must be very strong and very astute. And when I look at people going and working in China or Bangladesh, these people are very expressive and meeting with so many different people and buyers and earning lots and lots of money. I think that there are this Korean tradition, Korean custom. I'm not saying it's wrong, but there are advantages. But there is also a frame that we have in trying to keep our remnants stuck in this way. We need to see if we're maybe stuck in a certain way of doing things. Maybe we need to look at how everybody else does things. For example, I was on KTX, and if you speak a little bit, a little louder, stewardess would come and they'll say, please stay quiet. In China, they would be very expressive and talk to each other. And you could criticize them and say, why are they being so loud? But that's the way they live. They're very free and expressive. And it's just different customs and different cultures. And so, big door for missions, there will be definite differences. And you could adjust to different ways of being. And so I think church officers, especially our remnants, please send them overseas, especially our church officers, remnants that are not in the metropolitan area. So comparative to the metro area in Seoul, you'll be less exposed to international presences. So that global nature can be made more and more as you travel more and more. And so as I lived here, and there's a classy thing that I've seen from an elder, the Hong Kong New Life Church, there is the Simon, Elder Simon. I think he's from England originally. And before, for business industry missions, we went to the conference together, and he was going to Hong Kong, and I was returning to China. And it was a very early flight, and so I asked him how he's going to Hong Kong, and he's going to stay in a hotel in Incheon, and he'll go early in the morning. And I said, okay, can I spend the night with you? And that's actually can be a very private thing, two men sharing a room. But the elder said, okay. And we shared that time. But the problem is that next day, so in the morning, it was a 2-hour later flight, and he left earlier, and he left a little note for me. When I looked at the note, and so Elder, he said, Elder Kane, maybe did you not sleep well because of me last night? I will always pray for you. And so he left a little note for me, but he didn't wake me or anything, he just left. And so that morning I was kind of taken aback and wowed by him because he's such a classy person. So I'm the one who imposed on him, but he left me this wonderful note. And I really want our remnants to be that way. And so maybe the negative habits of Korea is something that we could pray for and heal ourselves from. To do world evangelization, you need to really have globalized vessels prepared. And so, really, I have nothing to boast, and I'm just thankful.
제가 선교주이시기 때문에
always being in the mission field,
영적 스승이 돼
my
주셨던
spiritual
많은 선교사님들
teachers
그리고
and
또
many
저를 많이
missionaries
사랑해 주셨던
and my
한국의 우리 귀한 목사님들께
Korean
이
pastors
자리를
who
빌어서
showed me
사실
much love.
진심으로 감사를
I
드립니다.
truly want to take this opportunity, sincerely thank you.
사실 저를 잘 아시지 않습니까?
Frankly, you all know me.
어떻게 살아왔는지를 잘
You know how I
아시지
live my
않습니까?
life.
우리
Our
목사님들
precious
지금도
pastors.
한 분 한 분
And even now, one by one, I think of all of you,
우리 초창기에
and especially in
다락방에
early on in
헌신하신 우리
Tarakbang,
장로님들.
all our elders who devoted
잊을
themselves,
수가 없습니다.
and I cannot forget you,
산업선교로
especially business industry
헌신하셨던
missions,
귀한
those who
장로님들,
have served, our precious
RUTC
elders,
헌금, 지금
the RUTC offerings and the 237 Center offering, the church construction. There are so many things that you've devoted yourself to, and I look at that and I'm so moved.
성경 속에
And in the Bible, you see the fathers of faith, and you hear about them, you read about them, but I was able to see them with my own two eyes about these elders, and so I'm so thankful for them. It's such an honor, and I'm so very respectful to all of them. And because of COVID, I could not come out as much recently, and I need to come out and meet all of you. But taking this opportunity, I want to greet all the elders and all of your faith, devotion. I will never forget it. For our children, I tell them this often. Today, our situation is a result of somebody's devotion of yesterday and somebody's hard work. And so the remnants, I really want you to remember that as well. Recently, there is something I'm very excited over. And now I have this age of the century. And so I am 60 years old, and my friends have retired. So as they people say, oh, I'm going to go hiking, I'm going to do things I was not able to do. But for me, this centenarian age is something I'm really excited about, because for the gospel, 1999 or 2000, I received this precious gospel about that time. And yes, I've received it, but what about my nature? It doesn't change right away. And so I made many mistakes. I continue to make mistakes, and many embarrassing aspects took place. And so that was for me. And so frankly, people who make a lot of money, you can tell by the habits that they have. There are people who have the habits to earn a lot of money. But fundamentally for me, I had so many habits that I couldn't make money. And so I'm sorry to say, I like drinking and I had these bad habits. But I felt so kind of bad because I received this precious gospel, but I really used by God. But one day, as I saw it, this term centenarian came out in the news, and I thought, I still have time to work and be active before God. And so I was so thankful for that. I still have some time, some chance. So in the morning, the first thing I do is I have my own spiritual summit time, about 2 hours. And so the pulpit message, fundamentally, I listen to it 1 or 2 times, the proclaimed pulpit message. And I sing about 5 praise songs. You know, you're kind of still sleepy, and so when you wake up. So for 5 praise songs kind of wake me up, have my spiritual energy up. And for remnants or missions fields and the important prayer topics, I continue to give my scheduled worship and scheduled prayer. And it's about an hour. And about an hour and 2 hours, I have this time in the morning. And so I started this for a couple of years. And I'm not saying this to give another burden to our remnants, but I need to do this to have communication with God. So this day and age, we have computers and the MZ
그
generation,
친구들 저도 우리 사위하고 또
the
아이들이
NZ
있지만 걔들이
generation,
무슨
and I have my
이야기를 해도 제가 뭔 말인지를 못
own
알아듣겠습니다.
son-in-law and my
그래서
own children,
그
but
친구들이 하는
no matter what they
비즈니스는
say, I
우리
don't really
시대가
understand.
뭐할 수도 없는
And
상황이다
so
보니까
it's kind of a
할
situation
수
where
있는
we
것은
can't
하나님
even
앞에 예배드리고 기도하는
do
것밖에
the business that they do. And
그러면서
so only thing I could do is give worship and pray to God. And so
30년
in
넘게
this land of
이곳에
China
하나님이
that I've been here
세우셨는데
for 30 years,
이렇게 죽기는 싫습니다.
I
이렇게
don't want to
죽기는
just
싫다고.
die
그래서
in this way,
근데 저의
God.
체질은 그대로 남아 있습니다.
But my nature
그래서
still remains, O
이
Lord.
예배를 통해서 이
And so through
기도를
this worship,
통해서
through this prayer,
이것 좀 치유하게 해달라고.
may you
그래서
heal
말씀은 못
these
드립니다만은
habits.
제가
And so I
실제
can't
제
tell you
영적인 문제를
everything,
놓고
but
계속 하나님
I
앞에
have
이제
continuously
예배드리면서 기도를 합니다.
gone before God in worship
그것이
and prayer
치유될 때
concerning
저는
my
빛의
spiritual
경제가
problems.
반드시 회복이 된다고 확신을
And
합니다.
when that is healed,
돈
I
버는
have assurance
사람들의
that the economy of light will
특징들이
be
있는 것을
restored.
제가 봤기 때문에
Because I've seen the
저한테
characteristics of those who
문제
truly
있는
make
것만
money.
치유받으면서
If I can
그래서
be
또
healed of
충분히
my own
회복할 수가
problems
있다고 생각을
and
하기
restore,
때문에 그래서 저는 지금도
that is why even now,
나의 영적인 어떤 문제를
my
가지고 그
spiritual
예배를 통해서
problems,
기도를 통해서
through worship and prayer in the morning, I continuously have kind of this spiritual battle. And then I pray to God, truly for evangelism missions and for the posterity, may I be greatly used by you as a church officer, business person. And I know how powerless and weak and filled with spiritual problems. And so the only thing I could do is pray and give worship to God. At least I could do that. And so the spiritual problems that I have, I can't, cut it off all of a sudden. But what I can do is this worship. And so when I do that, God absolutely said He will give. And so with that faith, I live my daily life in China. In China, in the east, many cities are very developed, but in the interior, there are still kind of distant. And so I truly believe there are many opportunities for the economy of the light in the interior. And so I need to wait for that time schedule. And so I'm so thankful to God in this age of centenarians and all the incorrect life that I lived till now. It's a blessing, it's a gift that I could restore and correct. And so I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful. And always, I'm just always grateful. So God allowed my children to grow well. I'm so thankful for that. And for the Hannah Church, being established as a church officer elder here, and all of our Hannah Church members, you've always prayed for me. I'm so thankful for that. And our precious missionary in India, he really showed me what faith was.
감사합니다.
I'm just thankful.
이렇게 감사하면서 자꾸 이게 목매이는 것도
And so being so thankful that I'm getting emotional, I think that's a spiritual problem as well. And so I've spoken too much already, and
귀한 자리 세워 주셔서
I'm just so thankful being raised in this precious place.
정말 중국 위해서
And truly for China, please pray for us, and please love the country of China, and especially there is the prepared missions and economy of light in China, especially our remnants. Please have a lot of interest. Thank you very much.